Hello, in front of me I have Apple Watch Series 7 Nike edition, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, so-called focus mode, on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, you can either tap on the screen or press the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe upwards from the bottom of the screen to open the control panel. Here you can scroll down by swiping up on the screen, find the icon with the moon on it, that's the focus mode icon, and tap on it. And here you can choose between Do Not Disturb or Studying. We want to enable the Do Not Disturb mode, so select Do Not Disturb. And now we can select the duration. Basically, if you select on, the mode will stay on until you turn it off. If you select on for 1 hour, it will stay on for 1 hour and then turn itself off. And if you select on until this evening, it's gonna stay on until the evening. I'm gonna select the first option, and as you can see, the icon changed color now. That means that the Do Not Disturb mode is enabled. You can also tell by this icon right here at the top, and by the icon at the top of the screen on the watch face. You can also set up a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode. To do it, you need to open the settings, so let's press the crown button on the watch face to open the menu. Swipe through the screen, or rather on the screen, to scroll through the menu. Find the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, let's scroll down, tap on the focus option, and then Do Not Disturb. And here we can set up a schedule for our Do Not Disturb mode. Basically, when it's gonna turn on automatically and turn off automatically. As you can see, here we have already a couple pre-existing schedules, and we can tap on one to edit it. And here we can edit the options. For example, we can tap on From to set the hour on which the schedule should turn on, and you can set the time by tapping on the time and using the crown like that. Set the hour to what you like. For example, I'm gonna set it to 8 p.m. Then tap on minutes, set the minutes. I'm gonna set it to 30, for example. Then tap check mark to confirm. Next, we can tap on 2 to set the time on which the schedule should turn off. And again, you can set the hours, minutes, and once you're done, tap the check mark. Now, you can scroll even more down, and here we have the category call to repeat, and we have list of days. Basically, you can select the days on which the schedule will be active. So if you check, for example, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, like that, those days, the schedule will be only active on those days, and other days it will be inactive. Basically, it won't do anything. And if you select all of the days, it's gonna be on all days. And if you select only one, for example, it's gonna be active only on this day. And once you're done, you can also scroll all the way down, and here you have enabled. And if you want to make this schedule active, enable it, you need to tap this switch to enable it, and then you can basically go back, and here you have your schedule, as you can see. You can also remove these schedules from this list right here. To do it, simply tap on schedule you want to remove, scroll all the way down, tap delete, then delete to confirm. And of course, you can also add your own schedule. To do it, scroll all the way down, tap on add new, and set the settings like we did before, basically. Days, like that. And you can enable it or disable it, and once you're done, you can go back like this. Okay, there's also one more thing about the focus mode. Let's disable it on our watch, grab our iPhone, and basically we can enable the focus mode on our watch through our iPhone. And to do it, open the watch app on your iPhone. In the app, scroll down, tap on General, then select focus, and here make sure that the mirror my iPhone option is enabled. Once it is, you can enable the focus mode on your iPhone, and if you do, it will also enable the focus mode on your watch. So let's enable the focus mode on our iPhone. As you can see, it enabled the focus mode on our watch. And if you disable it, it also is gonna disable the mode on your watch, like this. Okay, and that's how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.